The Progressive Retreat is really the foundation of this work. It's our entry-level training. The Progressive Retreat is really an opportunity for people to retreat from their lives for just a few days and to remove the constant stimulation in their external environment that reminds them of who they think they are as a personality. By retreating from your life long enough to change your thoughts, your behaviors, and your emotions, your life should change because you've changed as a personality. In these retreats, people learn what it is to meditate. They're given the proper knowledge to demystify and understand what they're doing and why. So when it comes down to the how, it becomes easy. And in the Progressive Retreat, people walk away not only with the practical tools, but also a deep understanding of the science of what it takes to truly change from the inside out. We teach them how to create from the field instead of from matter, and to change their energy, because when we change our energy, we change our lives. I want to stretch them and challenge them so they can begin to transform and truly change during that very weekend. Because we give people the tools to create a better life, when they return back to their life, they have something to practice. We teach them the concept of the energy centers of the body and how to begin to bless them and program the autonomic nervous system into more balance, order, and harmony. During the Progressive Retreat, I'll be showing some of the latest research that we've done over the last several years with thousands and thousands of people. In fact, we've made scientific history studying common people doing the uncommon. And I think that when people see the science and they see the measurements of what's possible, they begin to believe it could happen to them as well.